Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see a very simple and easy, also a traditional breakfast recipe, cucumber Avalakki or cucumber Poha, whichever way we want to call it. So for busy mornings, this is ideal. Try this simple and tasty cucumber Poha or Sautekai Avalakki. You can have it either for breakfast or dinner or when children come home from school. It's anytime ready in just 5 minutes. Today I have served it along with some coconut and coriander chutney. Here I have 2 cups of poha. First we'll wash it very well. You can use medium poha for this. We have washed the poha thoroughly. Now drain out the water. Here I have taken 1 cucumber. We'll just cut the edges. Then we can peel and grate it also. Depending on the size, you can take 1 or 2 cucumbers. So for 2 cups of poha, you can take 2 medium sized cucumbers and grate it like this. The water has drained out from the poha. Now we'll take it out in a bowl. Now to this I am adding the grated cucumber. Also add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut to it and salt. Now mix everything well together, the cucumber, coconut and the poha. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, jeera, 3 to 4 green chillies and a small piece of ginger grated. Stir fry everything. Now add this mix of cucumber, poha and grated coconut to it. We have already added the salt. Keep the flame low and mix everything well together. Finally add some finely chopped coriander leaves to it. Again give it all a good mix. Just cover it and cook it for just 1 minute, that is enough, then we can switch it off. See, some people like to add a little bit of sugar to this poha, but instead I would like to add some of this pomegranate to it. It not only makes it colorful, it becomes crunchy and tasty too. So now we can just add these pomegranate pieces on top. We'll make a quick side dish. I have some grated coconut, green chillies, coriander stems, a small piece of ginger and about 2 tablespoons of this chutney dal. Now we'll add a little water and grind it all into a chutney with the addition of salt. Our chutney is also ground and ready now. A simple tempering for our chutney. Heat a spoon of oil, mustard seeds and 1 dry red chilli. Pour this on top of your chutney. We are ready to serve our cucumber poha or Sautekai Avalakki as it is called. Along with this coconut chutney at this side. These simple, tasty, no onion, no garlic, traditional recipes come in very handy because they need only few ingredients, can be made very quickly, are good for health, and you can serve it at breakfast or you can have it for lunch or when children come back home from school, any time also. If today I have added pomegranate, it is not essential. If you don't have it, you can just omit it. You can add your own variation, want to add some roasted groundnuts, you can do that too, or just leave it only with the cucumber and grated coconut. That is also fine. Definitely try out this recipe. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.